Hello and welcome to our first step. In this step, we'll introduce to you the Autodesk Revit Architecture user interface. On the top left side, we have our application button. We can open, load, or print a project, or we can also access our options for Revit Architecture. Next to the application button, the quick access toolbar is located. Here you have the possibility to access several tools you often use. With the right mouse button, you can add a tool to the quick access toolbar. On the right side, there's the info center. We can type in here keywords or phrases to look for on the internet and in our help file. We can also access our help file over the question mark, or we can look in additional resources such as the support knowledge base, Revit web content library, and the Autodesk Revit Architecture homepage. Underneath those bars, we find the tabs, and underneath the tabs, we can find the ribbon. The ribbons are grouped into panels. We can also regroup them. In the panels, you can find several tools. Some tools are grouped into rollouts. You can access those rollouts by clicking the small triangles. And here you see a variety of tools. If we click a tool, Revit opens automatically our contextual tab, where we can make several adjustments for drawing our wall. Underneath the contextual tab, the option bar is activated, where you can set modifications before drawing your element. Now we take a close look at our tabs. Click on the Insert tab. Here we can load CAD files and also load families from our metric library, or look for Revit families in the Autodesk Seek content. Next to the Insert tab, we find the Annotate tab. The Annotate tab gives us the possibility to place dimensions. In the Structure tab, we find our structural elements such as beams, trusses, and columns. In our massing site, we have the possibility to create freeforms and design our site. The View tab is really important because here you can create new schedules, legends, and also create new views. And on the right side, you have the User Interface button, where we can arrange our user interface or also set our keyboard shortcuts. Here we can look for them, or we can add new ones or replace old ones. This is our drawing area. Underneath the drawing area, you find the view control bar to set different graphic styles for your view. Underneath the view control bar, you find the status bar. If you pick an element, Revit also gives you the information about that element in the properties palette. Here you can change the type or make several other adjustments. We can drag and drop this palette on the right side to get a better view of all our properties. Revit is a BIM product in which we create a 3D model. Out of that model, you can generate several views, and those views are listed in the project browser, which is on our left side. We can generate here floor plans, sections, or also renderings of our project. So that's it for our first step, and in the next step, we'll start with our project.